Next part is neural tissue present in the nervous system. Neural tissue has two types of cells, the structural and functional units called neurons and supporting cells called glial cells or neuroglial cells. What is a nerve? A nerve is a bundle of axons. The word nerve is used for bundle of axons outside CNS, while inside CNS it is called tracts. Based on function, nerves may be sensory, motor and mixed. Sensory nerve is a nerve that arises from the sense organ and goes to the CNS. Motor nerves are nerves that arises from central nervous system and go to the motor organs. After the fusion of sensory and motor nerves, a mixed nerve is formed. This diagram shows a typical multipolar nerve cell. Multipolar nerve cell shows cell body and cell processes. The cell body is called cyton. Cell processes are short and long. Short process is called dendron. Branches of the dendron are called dendrites. The long process is called axon. Axon arises from the cell body by means of a conical structure called as axon hillock. Membrane covering the axon is called neurolemma. Neurolemma is discontinuous, leaving some gap in between called a node of Ranvier. The terminal branches of axon are called telodendrons. The cell body or the cyton shows a nucleus with a nucleoplasm and a nucleolus. The nucleus of the cell body or cyton is surrounded by a thin film of cytoplasm. Cytoplasm shows cell organelles and riboprotein granules called Nissel's granule. Nissel's granules play an important role in the synthesis of an enzyme required for the formation of neurotransmitters. Dendrons. The cell processes, as I told you, are two types, short process and long processes. The short processes are dendron. Dendrons, these are small conical processes arising from the cell body or cyton. Each dendron is highly branched into fine dendrites. Nissel's granule and neurofibrils both can be seen at the base of dendrons. They carry impulses or they transmit messages towards the cyton. Axon is a single long process. Long unbranched process arising from the cyton at an axon hillock, which was labeled very clearly in the diagram. It consists of bundles of neurofibrils. Nissel's granules are absent in axon. Terminally, the axon gives out branches called telodendrons. The axon carry messages away from the cytons. Messages are brought to the cyton by the dendron, while messages are carried away from the cyton by the axon. The cytons are generally found inside CNS and ganglia. Cytons are generally located in the central nervous system as well as ganglia. Small group of cell bodies inside the white matter of brain are called basal nuclei. Small groups of cell bodies inside the white matter of brain are called basal nuclei. Basal nuclei has been discussed very clearly in the nervous coordination part and the brain section of this lesson. A bundle of axon called nerve may be covered only by neurolemma in the non-medullated nerves. Nerves are of two types, medullated and non-medullated nerves. Medullated nerves are nerves with a medullary sheath around the axon, and outer to the medullary sheath there will be neurolemma. In non-medullated nerves there will be only neurolemma. So based on the covering, nerves are medullated and non-medullated. What is a medullated nerve? A medullated nerve has got a medullary sheath around the nerve, and the medullary sheath is in turn covered by neurolemma. But in the case of non-medullated nerve, medullary sheath is absent and only neurolemma is present. Medullary sheath is also called as myelin sheath. Conduction of impulse by the medullated nerves is 50 times faster than in the non-medullated nerves. Why do we need medullated and non-medullated? For the faster transmission of impulses, we do need medullated nerves. It is stated that they conduct the impulses 50 times faster than the non-medullated nerves. Some terminology related to the grouping of the nerves. Endoneurium, the connective tissue covering around the nerve fascicle. Perineurium, connective tissue covering around the few nerve fascicle with the endoneurium. And epineurium, connective tissue covering around large bundle of nerves. It is called as what? Epineurium. Endoneurium, then outer to that there will be perineurium, then epineurium is present. Then what is a myelinated and a non-myelinated nerve? A myelinated nerve has got a myelin sheath and a neurolemma. A non-myelinated nerve is without a myelin sheath but a neurolemma is present. The nerve impulse transmission is faster in myelinated or medullated nerves, but it is comparatively slow in non-medullated nerves. Thank you.